Damn it! I'm sealed in.
Make your way to the top of the carrier. You should be able to procure a boat from the upper deck. While you're in the carrier, see if you can spot any sign of Val. We need to know where they're taking her.
Crow's gonna have our ass if we can't find that guy.
I don't get it. There must be a couple of dozen guys between where they blew up that boat and here. How did he get all the way?
There's something
Team
over
Alpha,
there!
please report to the refueling station immediately. Repeat, Team Alpha, please report to the refueling station immediately.
Buddy! Did you hear that?
Report any suspicious activity to Superior
Crap!
All personnel, please be aware that an intruder has been sighted in the area. He is medium height and build and is wearing a red Hawaiian armed and dangerous. If you see him, attack on sight.
Don't know what that was. We've got us an intruder somewhere around here. Keep your eyes open.
An intruder? From where? We're 1,000 miles from the ass end of nowhere out here.
How the hell would I know? Just keep your eyes open, all right?
Whatever you say, Chief.
Listen up, Jack. I'm doing my best to track both you and the hostiles, but all the metal is interfering with your signal. You're pretty much on your own right now.
Deck 3,
Did you hear that?
Beta.
Don't know what that was.
Deck 3.
Think I heard something. Found him! More of this! I got more of this! Bring it on! Hey, who's there? You're dead, buddy! You're going to fuck in here!
All personnel, this is a reminder. Report all suspicious activity to your commanding
sign of Val?
No. Not unless she was cleverly disguised as a mercenary intent on killing me.
All engineers and technicians, check all connections and generators. All power couplings must be checked.
What was that?
Get him!
You want some?
I'm gonna put you down! Get over here!
under full attack here. I think he's looking for the girl.
Well, you ain't gonna find her.
How'd you like those apples?
Crow out.
Oh.
No sign of Val herself, but I found her camera. There's also a file here on some joker named Krieger.
This archipelago is the ideal location for my research. These islands are isolated from international shipping lanes, so I am free to do my work without interference from the outside world. This work will take time, but a measure of the future of mankind depends on the success of my research here. I will not fail my destiny.
Doyle, they're taking Val to somewhere called the Bunker. Where's that?
I know where that is, but it's heavily guarded. Get a boat and I'll meet you.
I'm on my way.
You see something?
All personnel, there is an intruder in the area.
Found
Found you! Where did he go?
Delta alert. All teams, code Delta.
What the hell was that?
got a boat. Now what?
Our only chance is to disrupt the entire communications grid. That's the only way to cause enough confusion for you to escape completely. To do that, we need to get you to Kabatu. Head east to find it, because you're not going to be able to stop and ask for directions.